Hi, today we're going to play Midnight on the Water, and we're going to do it both standard tuning and GDAD tuning. This tune was a request from Michael Hutchins, so I hope you enjoy this, Michael. It was originally written by Luke Thomasson. His son, Benny Thomasson, has recorded it, and there's a good video of him playing it, and he plays it quite fast. Benny Thomasson was the teacher of Mark O'Connor, and Mark O'Connor plays it really slow. And I think a lot of people like it in a very sentimental, slow way, which is the way Mark O'Connor plays it. The way that Benny Thomasson plays it is quite brisk and almost Swedish in the way that he ornaments it. But we'll look at various different aspects of this tune. So we'll start off with the basic tune, and we'll do it slowly. It's written straight, but it's played always with a slight swing. And we've got leading 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now it sounds pretty plain, just played like that, so let's see what we can do with it. There's quite a lot of ornaments you can put in, and quite a few drones. So open D drones over the first couple of bars. An E drone there. And quite a lot of D there. A few ornaments. So you do a lot of hammer-ons on the whole notes. That there I'm doing. And there it's a. A lot of droning, and in fact this droning is kind of imitating what we would or will get when we detune, but I'll come to that later. Another hammer on here, and that's a triplet. Now for the E minor chord, if you put a B under it, that'll be quite nice. And then a B under the F sharp as well. And if you put a G under that, that'll just accent that change of chord. And then more D drone. And you could do a four fingery there. know those fourth fingers are difficult, and I usually avoid them if I can. The bowing, one way you can do it is, people actually have taken to playing the tune, but I think the original was 6 equal notes and 3 slurred, 3 down. That's obviously not as interesting, but I think in the with the open tuning it's quite nice. And then when we get to bar 5, we've got an alternative. I'll just play up to there. It's that, which I think is really nice actually. So that's instead of, I'll do that again. Let's play that now with some chords. Now I'm going to retune to dead man's tuning, or DDAD. So the unusual thing about this tuning is that the G is going all the way down to D. So it's now really floppy. So G, D, D, A, and then the E is coming down to D. There, I think we've got it. The low G is quite difficult to play because, well, for one thing it's really quiet, and for another thing it's really easy to play sharp on it. So you've got to be really gentle. Make the whole thing gentle, which is kind of naturally slows it down. So what we're going to do with the fingers, most of the melody is on the D and A strings. So let's just play as if it was normal and see what happens. So at the beginning we're going to use the low drone. Now here you go to play your E, and you find that you now have to play a first finger instead of the open E. So here I think you need to get used to. One thing about this tuning is the lovely discord that you get with that second finger. So it just take a while to get used to. G keeps on going sharp. So let's try it again from the beginning, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I hope you enjoyed that. I think it's a beautiful tune. If you want a copy of the dots, then do send me an email, subscribe, and my email address is at the bottom of the description. I've got a book coming out around a year's time about country, bluegrass, western swing, all that wonderful stuff, and I'm looking forward to that coming out, and I hope some of you are too. See you again on the next video.